Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We're on the Rotterdam, the Holland America Line Rotterdam. It was a bit of a mouthful, wasn't it? We're in Norway, we're seeing the fjords. It is spectacular. Come with us as we explore the ship and explore Norway.
The Rotterdam is a beautiful ship, isn't she? One of 3 ships in Holland America Line's Pinnacle Class, the Rotterdam is the newest ship in this fleet, entering service in October of 2021. Coming in at almost 100,000 tonnes, the Rotterdam can carry an estimated 2,668 guests. We cruised out of Amsterdam and it was an absolutely fascinating trip down the canal to the open sea. We thought we'd start at the top to explore this beautiful ship. Starting at the back, there's a lovely outdoor pool and 2 hot tubs with sensational views of the back of the ship, plus plenty of deck chairs and dining tables to enjoy a meal out here. Towards the middle of this ship is the retreat, the suite-only area on board. This area has its own hot tub, sun lounges and some cabanas for suite guests. The main pool, with its retractable roof, has 2 levels and is filled with comfy chairs and sun lounges and 3 great-sized hot tubs. There's a big screen for late night movie watching, a bar and some casual dining options. This is a great space that can be used in any weather. The jogging track is also located on those upper decks, and this area provides a wonderful place to watch the spectacular fjords drifting past. We were fortunate to stay in a Verandah stateroom on deck 11. Thanks to the floor-to-ceiling sliding door, these rooms are bright and airy and give the impression of being larger than they probably are. This room had a queen bed, which can split into 2 twin beds if you need, plus a desk with a mirror and a comfy sofa. There's plenty of storage and your suitcase can tuck away under the bed, which is a great help. The room has a combination of USB plugs and both European and USA electrical outlets, which is super handy. It also has a chargeable mini bar in case you need any urgent snacks in your room. The bathroom was clean and modern with a fantastic walk-in shower. While the whole area was fairly small, it certainly did the job.
Hi everyone, welcome to the tour of our beautiful stateroom here. Just want to show you what else they include, which I haven't seen on many other ships. You get your own umbrella to use on the ship. 2 beach towels in case you want to go off the ship and sit on the beach. We're going to Norway, so probably won't use them. A couple of really nice bathrobes. They've got a pillow menu and some information about the first day, what's happening on the ship. So pretty impressed with the Holland America Line so far.
Located on deck 2, the entertainment district is a series of bars and clubs showcasing different types of music.
van het fjord, daar komen we aan in Olden.
Does anyone get offended with a little bit of Rudy stuff?
Basically, you don't cook the salmon overcooked because salmon is very flaky if it goes over.
Thank you very much.
Anymore, all of our officers, these are the people that make your ship.
Dining on board the Rotterdam is pretty incredible, with the ship featuring the main sit-down dining room, a casual buffet-style eatery called the Lido Market, several specialty restaurants with an added charge, including the Pinnacle Grill, Canaletto's, Tamarind and Rudy's, and other casual spots like the Grand Dutch Café, famous for its variety of typical Dutch treats, and the dive-in bar for burgers and the like. Someone's very happy.
Royal Dutch afternoon tea. Love it.
This is another fun thing that Holland America Line does to celebrate its proud Dutch heritage. A delicious Royal Dutch afternoon tea during the sea days in the main dining room. Deck 2, otherwise known as the Plaza Deck, as well as being home to the entertainment district, is also home to some cool bars and also some of the specialty restaurants including Rudy's and the Pinnacle Grill, as well as Club Orange. Club Orange is Holland America Line's exclusive program with added benefits, such as a complimentary room upgrade where available, priority embarkation and disembarkation, its own exclusive dining room, and special events for Club Orange guests.
Hi guys, we're here at the Dutch Café. This is one of the best places on the ship. They have Dutch pancakes, they've got Dutch apple pie and chips with peanut sauce, living the Dutch dream on this ship.
There is also a gelato bar on board, however this is also at an additional cost.
Yummy pizza.
The Lido Market is a great spot to grab a buffet-style breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's light and bright and offers fabulous views wherever you are. And yes, cake lunch is a thing and it's incredible.
how are you? Good, mate.
Up on deck 12, back where we started, is the Crow's Nest Lounge, where you'll find the Explorers Cafe and the Explorations Desk. This is a great lounge featuring panoramic windows and tables with puzzles and chessboards, and it's great for those days at sea. The Rotterdam also has a very cool games room up here as well. On deck 9, at the front of the ship past the main Lido deck pool, is the very huge and well-equipped gym. The lovely greenhouse spa and salon is also located in this area, and I can highly recommend. The Rotterdam's onboard library was a very large space, but unfortunately it was a little bit light on actual books. Hopefully, if you're looking for something to read, you'll be able to find something here that interests you. The Rotterdam also had a great variety of onboard shopping. It had a wide selection of logo items, jewellery, the usual stuff that you can find on a ship, clothing, anything else that you think you'll need while you're away. We had an absolutely fabulous time cruising with Holland America Line on the Rotterdam through Norway. Would very happily sail on this ship again. Look forward to it. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. And if you have, now might be a great time to hit that like and subscribe buttons, as there's much more to come. See you next time.